Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video we will be unboxing the HikVision DS-U02 1080p webcam. On the front of the box we have an image of the webcam itself and its resolution on the bottom. On the right hand side we have a sticker with some information like the BIS certification symbol, its resolution and some manufacturing details. We also have the power usage, which is 5 volts at 230 mA. The left hand side has another sticker. Basically the same information has been repeated here as well, and on the bottom we have a few of the salient features which include 1080p HD output, a built-in microphone, 360-degree horizontal rotation and USB 2.0 plug and play functionality. The back of the box is exactly the same as the front. On the top we simply have some HikVision branding, and on the bottom we have a few contact details of the brand. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside we get some reading material in the form of a quick start guide. This will help you out with installing the device and understand the various functions and features. We recommend that you read through this thoroughly before you start using the webcam. Now coming to the webcam, we can see that it has a black color theme going for it. The front has a shiny glossy black and everywhere else it's a matte black. Also on the front is the lens for the webcam. On the side we have a little LED light that would shine when the webcam is active, and on either side of those we have 2 holes for the microphones. Coming down between the webcam unit and the mounting bracket we have a ball mount which gives the webcam enormous amounts of flexibility. This will help you frame your shot. On the bracket itself we have some HikVision branding. On the bottom we have a female 1/4 inch screw point, so this webcam can be mounted on tripods as well. The bracket is of the hinge type, and on the inside we have some soft finishes, so any surface that you might want to mount the webcam on won't get scratched up because of this. Coming down to the cable now, on the end of the cable we have a USB type A interface, and the cable itself is approximately 5 feet in length. So let's get started and install this camera on a PC. For the purposes of this video and for the sake of convenience, we will be installing the webcam onto a laptop. The webcam has plug and play functionality, which means that the drivers needed to operate the webcam will be detected and installed automatically. So in essence, plug and play. As you can see, the light has turned on the webcam, indicating that it is connected, but right now it is red in color. If we turn on the camera app on the laptop and if we use this webcam as the source, it will turn green, indicating that it is on. To mount the webcam, all we need to do is open the bracket, use this little lip right here to stick it onto the flap of the laptop, and then shut the bracket. There will be a point where it won't budge anymore, and that is when you know that it is securely in place. So this was the unboxing of the HikVision DS-U02 1080p webcam. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.